Okay, guys. All right. So we're here at the start of another project. We're basically taking down a old fence and we're putting up a new one. Have Dexter with me. He's gonna start the process of taking down the old fence. See if I can take you guys with me. So basically, they had another contractor that, he didn't do the best job possible. Let me say that. So instead of just running a straight piece here, he had a bridge right here, and it's okay to have one bridge, but having too much of it, not so good. The fence itself leans out, and yeah, it's just not done to the best it can be done. So we're gonna do a better job. The fence is actually gonna move. The fence is actually gonna be moved out. Once we take this down, it's gonna be moved out about 10 feet back here. Dexter working on that. So all of these plants right here, you're gonna have to be moved back, right? You're gonna have to be moved back about 10 feet, and we're gonna end up keeping this side of the fence as well. All right, so yeah, day one, demolition, removing, and I'll keep you guys updated on the whole process. Yeah.